Hello everyone, once again welcome to Adventure with Zaid. Today I will share with you how you can apply a visa for Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is also the best destination in South Asia if you are visiting Maldives, Indonesia, Philippines. I will suggest you also you can put this city in your bucket list because it's also very fast and easy process, and country is very friendly, people are very friendly really. Food is little bit spicy. If you like spicy, they eat too much spicy. And beaches, nice hotels, and booming tourism country offer a lot. So let's start for this country how you can apply a visa. For Sri Lanka, you can apply visa online, their official website, which is especially mostly the Asian countries and other countries it's allow eVisa. But if you applying from Nigeria, definitely you have to go to embassy. You have to submit your documents there. I don't know about other mostly African countries, but with Nigerian passports I have recently inquired. So for others, it's like you need just flight reservation and hotel booking, your digital photo, and what you call your passport size PDF, like a main page. So you can go to the official website. There is a 4-step. I will also put the link in the description so you can take a look. And if you stuck or you confused, you cannot understand, feel free, मुझे contact कर सकते हैं आप. You can contact me. So I will be happy to assist you. These are documents you needed. You can go to the website step by step. You have to fill up the data, upload your document, and pay. The visa fee, it's different for different countries. I think mostly for Asia, like Pakistan and Nepal and other these countries, around $50. Okay, so it depends on visa category you are applying, and its process time is 6 to 7 days. 6 to 7 days you will get your visa. So guys, if you have any problem and if you have any questions, you can ask me by WhatsApp, email, Instagram. I also have my online travel agency, which is name is Globeness Travel. You can visit websites, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube channel as well with the Globeness Travel. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends. Maybe someone who love to travel, they can get a help. We all want to save some money. So see you in next video. Goodbye.